Hello students, welcome to e-learning session of Sri GM Donda Primary School. So student, today we will start a new chapter of science, that is fun with magnets. So student, in this chapter we will learn many things about magnet, that what is magnet, how magnet are discovered, types of magnet, about magnetic and non-magnetic material, about the poles of magnet and many things. So student, let's start the chapter, that what is magnets. So a magnet is a material or object that produces a magnetic field. It means a magnet has a property to attract material like iron, like pin toward themselves. This magnetic field is invisible. It means we cannot see with our eyes, but it is responsible for the most notable property of a magnet, a force that pull on other ferromagnetic materials such as iron and attract or repel other magnet. So student, there is a property that attract ferromagnetic materials such as iron, copper, nickel toward themselves, and it has also a property to attract magnet or to repel other magnet. So student, here is a picture of some artificial magnet, or we can say here is a picture of man-made magnet. So here is a bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, needle magnet, cylindrical magnet, oval shaped magnet and ring magnet. So these all are man-made magnet. So first of all, we will know about how magnet are discovered. The story of magnet. So it is said that there was a shepherd named Magnus who lived in ancient Greece. He used to take his herd of sheep and goat to the nearby mountain for grazing. He would take a stick with him to control his herd. The stick had a small piece of iron attached at one end. One day he was surprised to find that he had to pull hard to free his stick from a rock on the mountainside. It seemed as if the stick was being attracted by the rock. The rock was natural magnet and it attracted the iron tip of shepherd's stick. It is said that this is how natural magnets was discovered. So student, there is a story about the discovery of magnet, that there was a shepherd named Magnus. He used to take a herd of sheep for grazing. He had a wood stick with a piece of iron attached to it at a lower end. One day the stick get stuck to the rock and he had to pull hard to remove that stick from that rock. The rock which behaved like a magnet is called a lodestone or magnetite. So what are magnetite and what are lodestone? So in magnesia, rock contain large number of black stone which had to power to attract piece of iron. So that rock which behave like a magnet, its name is lodestone. A black stone came to be known as lodestone or the leading stone because of the way it could be used to find direction. Today it is known as mineral magnetite and its formula is Fe3O4 and is found in many countries. Now we will know about magnetic and non-magnetic materials. So what are magnetic and what are non-magnetic material? So student, magnetic material are those material which get attracted toward magnet. Okay, for example copper, iron, nickel. And non-magnetic material are those material which cannot attracted toward magnet, like wood, like paper, plastic. Such material are called non-magnetic material. In this figure you can see that there is a iron filling, or here is a ring that is made up of iron. So these are classified as a magnetic material because it is attracted by magnet. But this eraser, this drinking straw, it is made up of plastic, so it is not attracted by magnet. So these are non-magnetic material. So student, we will know about the poles of magnet. So all magnet have two poles. Okay, सारे magnets के two poles होते हैं, एक north pole होता है और एक south pole होता है. Now you can see here that here is a figure of magnet. One is indicating N, that is north pole, and another is south pole, that is एस. सो जब भी हम इस फिगर से क्लियरली समझेंगे कि क्या होता है अट्रैक्शन एंड क्या होता है रिपल्शन, कैसे होता है इनके बीच. जब भी हम किसी भी मैग्नेट को एक दूसरे के क्लोज ले आते हैं तो उनके बीच अट्रैक्शन होता है. बट ये अट्रैक्शन तभी होगा जब हम एक मैग्नेट का नॉर्थ पोल और दूसरे मैग्नेट का साउथ पोल एक दूसरे के क्लोज ले आएंगे. बट अगर हम दोनों मैग्नेट के सेम पोल एक दूसरे के क्लोज ले आते हैं तो वहां पे हमेशा रिपल्शन होता है. यू कैन बेटर अंडरस्टैंड बाय दिस figure that here is a north pole of this magnet and here is a south pole of this magnet. So यहाँ पे क्या होगा, north pole जो होगा ये south pole को attract करेगा and this south pole attract this north pole. तो इनके बीच attraction force work करता है. But in second figure you can see that here is a north pole of this magnet and here is also a north pole of this magnet. तो north pole south pole को attract करता है but here both have a north pole. So इनके बीच जो force work करेगा that is a repulsion, that is repulsion force. Now in third figure there is also south pole and in second magnet there is also a south pole. तो same pole होने की वजह से इनमें जो force work करेगा that is repulsion force. So there are two poles of magnet and what are poles? सो पोल्स के पास जो मैग्नेटिक पावर होती है, उनकी जो मैग्नेटिक स्ट्रेंथ होती है वो मैक्सिमम होती है. पोल्स क्या होते हैं, द मैग्नेट and near the two end of a magnet where the magnetic strength of the magnet is maximum. So now we will learn about the magnetic compass. So what are magnetic compass? So magnetic compass function as a pointer. So here is a figure of magnetic compass. You can better understand by this figure. So ये जो है ये figure है compass का and here is a needle. Okay, and this needle is made up of magnet. So क्या होता है? So this magnetic box work by the detecting the earth natural magnetic field. So earth has also a natural magnetic field. So compass needle align with the earth magnetic field and point in the geographic north south direction. So the needle of compass indicate the north south direction when it come to rest. तो जब भी हम इसको रेस्ट में रखते हैं तो कभी भी आप कंपास को रेस्ट में रखेंगे तो ये जो निडल है आपकी ये हमेशा नॉर्थ और साउथ डायरेक्शन में ही रहेगी. तो जैसा कि हमने बताया अर्थ हैज अ नेचुरल मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. सो ये जो नॉर्थ पोल है ये अर्थ के जो साउथ पोल का मैग्नेटिक फील्ड होता है ये नॉर्थ पोल को अट्रैक्ट करता है. सो जब भी हम कंपास को रेस्ट में रखते हैं ये नॉर्थ पोल साउथ अर्थ के नेचुरल साउथ पोल के थ्रू अट्रैक्ट होता है एंड ये साउथ पोल अर्थ के नेचुरल नॉर्थ पोल के थ्रू अट्रैक्ट होता है. दैट्स वाई जब भी हम कंपास को रेस्ट में लाते हैं इट नीडल ऑलवेज pointed toward north and south direction. Now we will learn about the attraction and repulsion, that how attraction occur and how repulsion occur. In previous slide you have seen that there is attraction between same in unlike pole and repulsion between like pole. So from here we will better understand that here is the south pole of magnet and here is the north pole of magnet. So here is attraction force is working, but when we bring close south pole and south pole of both magnet, there the force that will act is repulsion. Okay, now student, the magnetic poles always exist in pair. When an attempt is made to separate the magnetic pole by breaking a magnet, then it is observed that the two parts become a complete magnet. New magnetic poles are developed at broken end. Thus, an isolated magnetic pole does not exist. That is, each magnet is dipole. So स्टूडेंट, जब भी अगर आपने सोचा कि कभी भी हम ये मैग्नेट को अगर हम ब्रेक करते हैं तो क्या नॉर्थ पोल अलग हो जाएगा और साउथ पोल अलग हो जाएगा, ऐसा कभी नहीं होता. हम मैग्नेट को कितने भी पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करें, इट विल ऑलवेज रिमेन, देयर विल ऑलवेज रिमेन अ टू पोल, दैट इज नॉर्थ पोल एंड साउथ पोल. हम कितने भी टुकड़े कर दें इसके, बट ये कितने पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हो जाएगा, अगेन नॉर्थ पोल एंड साउथ पोल. सो एवरी पार्ट ऑफ मैग्नेट बिहेव एज magnet having two poles, that is north pole and south pole. Now here is a bar magnet which has two poles, north pole and south pole. When we break down this magnet into two parts, again it is divided into two pole, that is north pole and south pole, north pole and south pole. Now uses of magnet where it is used. So it is used in compass to find direction, as you have seen that compass has a magnetic needle and it is always attracted toward the natural geographic north south direction. So it is used in a compass to find direction by sailor, by, you can say, by who travel along a forest. It is used in factories for lifting heavy masses of iron. So it is used in factory for lifting heavy masses of iron. It is used by surgeon in hospital to remove steel splinter from the wounds. It is used in construction of telephone, electric bill, etc. It is used to separate iron and steel from non-magnetic materials, and many more. So student, here is a figure of magnet. I hope you. So student, for better explanation you have to go through the given link along with your PDF. So stay connected, stay healthy and safe. Thanks.